Hello everyone, my name's Erika and today I want to put the finishing touches on my apartment. I've lived in New York for a little over a year now, and by now you're probably thinking, why haven't you done an apartment tour? And it's because I thought that I would finish this place within a month, and that absolutely was not the case. It's literally been a year and I feel like there's things that I haven't done or still need to do. But at the same time, like, the apartment feels like it's bursting at the seams because it's very small. My apartment's 350 square feet. That will be talked about more when I finally do a full apartment tour video. As you can see behind me, this is like my little closet. It does close. I don't know why it's open. At least the door didn't fall off. Sometimes it falls off. I wanted to kind of curate things over time for this apartment. I didn't just want to like buy everything at one place. I wanted it to be a collection of like things that we found over our time here in New York, and it has been that so far, and I'm happy with that, like 100%. However, there are just a couple of pieces that I just need to bite the bullet and get one. Those items are a little vase, like a little vase. I have a dried bouquet of flowers sitting on a table in the living room, and I need a little vase. So little vase, number one. Number two is a fruit bowl. Colored glass, preferably. I really love to find like vintage glassware, so we're gonna look for that. And then the last thing is picture frames. I am so envious of people who have thrift stores that have like countless pictures and so many frames to choose from. I just want to try to find some. I'm gonna give it another shot today. Pending the success of this video, hopefully an apartment tour will be coming very soon. We are gonna be trying to thrift the things for this video. We will see what luck we have. Please also drop this video a like and comment, and subscribe if you like New York City and fashion content. That's mostly what's on here. So let's go. We're gonna get a matcha for the way, I think. Or a coffee. We will see. Let's get going. So the first housing works actually had a lot. I especially liked that one art piece, but I don't want to buy too much of the first one, just in case I find more, so. At the risk of sounding like a total idiot, I didn't realize that this might actually have rum in it, even though they said rum infused. Thought that maybe they just meant the beans, but I think it might actually have rum in it. Don't get me wrong, it's still very good. Okay, second housing works. It's very loud out here, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me, but second housing works was very successful. I got 4 frames for $30, and I'm thinking this could actually make a pretty good gallery wall. I got 2 matching ones and then like 2 little accent ones. So far successful, more successful than I have been trying to find frames, and we're going to head to the next one, which is a Goodwill. Alright, we're gonna hit up one more housing works. I know they are not the cheapest of thrifts, but they've been having the best homewares. So I'm gonna go to one more, and then we're gonna go to Goodwill, and we're gonna see what we can find. Found a fruit bowl at Goodwill. We had to leave though because like an 8-year-old kid got robbed in Goodwill. He like took out his birthday money and someone took it and ran away. So we're leaving this area, but we did get a fruit bowl. the way to the last place. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film because I'm on low battery. It's called Cause for Paws, so I'm assuming it goes to like animal shelters. So that's the last place, and we're going to see if we can find that little vase, but if we don't, we've still been pretty successful. It is time for a haul of what I got. I'm really excited to kind of go through this whole thing. I got home yesterday and I was so exhausted, so that's why my makeup is now done, because it is the next day. But starting with this cute little thing, I got this little frame. I thought it was so cute. This was one of the little accent frames. I didn't realize like how damaged it was in store. Another thing that I got that kind of matched was this frame. I kind of was thinking that like antique gold sort of look. This was $6, and I have like a little cross stitch from my boyfriend's mom that I'm thinking I'm gonna put in here. I'm gonna have to get like one of the hooks to keep it on the wall because it doesn't have one currently, but that's what we're gonna do with that one. Also, the two frames that I showed in store are here. These frames are pretty big, but I have two matching ones, and it'd be cool to have like kind of matching prints in there. This is the fruit ball. This was the dramatic shopping experience. Of course, it needs to be washed as it did just come straight off the shelf. It's pretty simple. It's just a simple glass bowl, but I like to get like vintage glassware. I think it's always cool. This was only $3. So a great find. I would have been happier with like a colored glass moment, but this really is perfect size. I didn't want like a huge fruit bowl because we don't have a lot of space. And so this is kind of the perfect size. So that rounds off the haul. I cannot wait to show you these items when they're all in their designated space through my apartment. Thank you so much for watching. If this is something that you're interested in, please subscribe to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and comment. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.